ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
How is your relationship with your mother? How is your relationship with your father? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right after his tawheed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, take care of the parents. If your parents are still alive, make sure you are pleasing them every single day. Make sure they never go to sleep and they're upset with you. If your mother is still alive, go stick by her feet and kiss her feet. Make sure they are happy with you. One dua from your father or your mother either will make your life or will break your life. They are the ones who brought you to this dunya. They are the ones who went through so much to make you who you are right now. They are the ones who fed you and sheltered you and gave you so much love and care. They are the ones who spend the nights crying and spend the nights worried about you. They are the ones who took things from their own mouth to feed you. They are the ones who struggled and struggled to make sure you go to the best of colleges. They are the ones who did everything. And in return, you raise your voice. You roll your eyes when they ask you for something. You complain. No. Don't ever complain. Even if you are in the toughest situation and your father asks you for something, pretend that there is nothing going on. Don't ever show them that you are upset. One of the ulama said, if your parents are afraid to ask you to do something to them, you have committed uquq. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Are your parents still alive? Make sure you go and please them before a day will come. And then you would say, I wish they could come back for just one hug, just for one kiss, just for one I love you. Unfortunately, we get all these emotions after our parents depart. No. This is not how the true believer acts. Take advantage now and cherish them and obey them and please them to the best of your ability. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, 3 kinds of people will not enter Jannah. Allahu Akbar. What's the first one? Al-aaq li walidayh, the one who dishonor, disrespect, disobey his parents. Second is the one who's addicted to alcohol. And the third is al-mannan bima a'ta, the one who constantly remind you of the favors he have done for you. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he told us, the pleasure of Allah is from the pleasure of the parents. And the wrath of Allah is from the wrath of the parents. How is your relationship with your parents? Sometimes we get upset for the simplest thing they did or they say, and we forget what they have done to us. Be patient. Swallow your ego. It's okay, these are your parents. No, they're not strangers. We are supposed to forgive and forget with the strangers. How about my own parents? Don't let the shaitan come between you and your mother. Don't let the shaitan come between you and your father, because you will regret it. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he told us that the parents are one of the doors of Jannah. So make sure that you are always close to that door before that door is closed completely. Make sure that, parents will be the reason for you to enter Jannah. I will finish this by saying, run now. Literally, if your mother is right there, right now, go run to her, kiss her hands, kiss her forehead, kiss your father's hands, ask them if they are pleased with you. Love them, care about them, spend time with them, hug them, kiss them. And always, you make dua to your parents. May Allah protect us, may Allah protect our parents. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make our parents' last deeds their best deeds. And if they have already passed away, Ya Allah, grant them the company of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and grant them the highest place in Jannah.
ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.